Hey guys, it's Bryden.
Hey guys, it's Brett. February.
Happy February!
Today we're going to be Valentine's Day craft.
That's right, and in this craft we'll be making a really cute Valentine's Day dress.
Yeah, right?
No sewing included. The materials for this that you'll be needing are
glue gun, scissors,
and some Valentine's Day colored felt. And of course, a doll to use for your measuring. So for the top of the dress, you'll be needing some sort of fabric that looks like this. This is already the top. I already made it. Just by looking at it, I think you can get a pretty good detail of how you're supposed to make it. And then you just secure that area with glue. Use some sort of like stretchy fabric so that it stays on the doll tight. And just to give a little decoration to the top, I'll be adding this string and folding it so it can like fit right across. And you can use ribbon or something for this. And when you fold it, it should look a little something like this. Now I'm using some hot glue to secure it. Now that we have the top, it's time for the skirt. First, I lay my doll on top of the fabric for where I want the skirt to be, like how long I want it to be. And then I fold it over and I mark where I want to cut it, and make sure you still leave like a little bit room so you can hot glue the skirt around. And again, you have to make sure it's nice and snug. So as you can see, I made like the tiniest mark ever, and I'm gonna make a longer mark, obviously. But after that, I'm gonna just simply cut away. So after I have cut out that square, I wrapped it around her, well, from her waist to like about her ankle. I wrapped it around, and here looks a little wide. I'm gonna fix that with a little cutting. This is how the base should look like. So see at the back where I wrapped it around, that is going to be where I hot glue it, but I'm not gonna hot glue it all the way, maybe like just about here. Here is what it should look like, and as I said, you really have to make sure it's tight around the waist. And I think it looks pretty good.
Now
I'm
using some white felt.
For some reason. Now time to add the other layers to the dress. And I'll be doing the same thing with the white felt like I did with this, except it's gonna be shorter. About like mid-length from here, maybe. And repeat that process twice. The next thing for the dress, I make a square piece of felt and I glue it on like that, basically. And then I make another one on the other side. So basically, it should look like this.
And for a cute little choker, as a finishing touch, I decided to get some pink string and tie a little bow around the neck. And the bow ended up looking a little big, but I feel like it makes it look cuter.
Yay, and now you're done.
So here is your finished doll Valentine's Day dress. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and comment down below what other Valentine's Day videos should I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay.